I have a list of employees and their offices, and what I want to know is which employees do not have an office code. And you can see in my list here, I've got a mix of empty strings and I've got a mix of nulls. So if I were to change my SQL to say where office equals empty string, I will get 3. And if I say where office is null, I get 2. What I want to do is show where it's not a valid office code or an office code. So I want to see both of these pieces of data returned. Something called iSNULL that we can use, and iSNULL will SQL will run, and if it finds a null in a particular column, it will replace it with something else, a different value. So let's say I'm going to replace office. If it finds a null, replace it with an empty string, and I run that, and now you can see here you've got empty strings. I can replace it with anything as long as it matches the data type of the field I'm looking at. So I can return it with the word hi, and there's the word hi. Using this logic, I can say where iSNULL office empty string equals empty string. In this case, it will find any empty strings and it will replace, for the purpose of the SQL, it will replace or return any nulls as empty strings before doing the validation. So if I run this, I get the 5 results, these 3 and these 2, because SQL now sees them for this execution of this script as an empty string. It doesn't update any values in the table. It's just for the purpose of the execution of this script.